Purchase Ledger Reports. From the Purchase Ledger menu, the reports are located here on the right hand side. Whenever you see this icon here, it means it's a report. So let's start by having a look at the Creditors List. This report will show you a list of suppliers to who you owe money and how much is owed aged over the past 6 months. Normally you would select all suppliers and then just click on Print or Preview. If you want to include all suppliers in the list, regardless whether you owe them any money or not, then you can click on the Show All tick box here. There is also a Supplier Unpaid Invoice report, which will show you a list of suppliers to who you owe money and their related invoices. This report can be run by effective date or due date. For example, if you have agreed with a supplier that you will pay within 14 days, then this could be set against the supplier in the supplier maintenance program. Then when the invoice is booked, the due date will automatically be calculated as 14 days after the effective date. This due date can also be manually entered at the time of entering the invoice. So normally in here you'd select all suppliers as before and click on Print or Preview. You can run supplier statements and you can run remittance advices. Also, because the Creditors List produces a report for the current time, which is what you owe right now, if you want an historical Creditors List report, then you will need to use the Purchase Account Balance report. So if you needed a list of suppliers who owed you money at the end of last month, for example, then you would use this report. You'd enter in any value in the supplier name and then the month you want to report on, and then print or preview the report as before.